Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to connect a GitHub repo to Claude AI. So to start, open Claude and sign in to your Claude account. Next, click your profile in the bottom left corner. Now once you're here, go to settings. Next, once you're on settings, you can scroll down to customize and look for connectors, then click on it. Next, once you're on connectors, so look for GitHub integration. Then what you need to do is to click connect and it will take you to the sign in window. So you need to sign in with your username or email address. Then you can put in your password, then click sign in, or you can use your Google account or you can use your Apple account. Then click sign in, and once proceed, you can click allow or approve to connect GitHub to Claude AI.
Hey guys, quick one before we continue. My team and I publish step-by-step tutorials on useful software, apps, and tools to help you get things done every single day. And so if you're finding these videos useful, I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. And of course, so that you'll never miss out when we release more tutorials just like this one. Now, let's continue.
And that's basically it. So once connected or once done, you'll see a connected button in here showing that GitHub is already connected to Claude. And that's it. Thank you for watching.